This is Pranav Guha Thakur from Edu TV. Today we have with us Miss Sahani, Miss Shivani Sahani. She's the principal of GD Goenka School, Bahadurgarh, NCR. Ma'am, as the new policy has come after 3 decades, what are your views and advice on the same? Just
See, if I talk about my perspective on the new education policy, it's a welcome policy. It is something that all the educationists have been really dreaming of, and it's a beautiful vision document. However, what is at stake is its implementation. We are all aware of the CCE, that is the Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation System that had come few years back, and unfortunately, that did not succeed well. Maybe because of India being highly populous, so our population, we could not meet the desired implementation skills to be imparted to the teachers, to the faculty. So probably this could be one of the reasons. So effective implementation of NEP is something which is very, very important, and the infrastructure. So all of these things need to be at place for this beautiful vision document to get implemented.
ma'am, as internships have been started from class 6 onwards, what is your take? What is your view on that, ma'am?
I think it is going to be a good change, specifically when we talk about the skills, because the students need to know the current scenario of the industries, so that there are two things about it. One, that they own those skills. Two, that they get much aware of what is available in the market, so that they can really look forward to it. Right now, if we talk about the student counseling, so the counseling, the career counseling things also start from grade 9th onwards. So the students are not much aware of things. The parents are not aware of much changes that are coming in the industries. So what we generally see is that when the students are graduating from the schools and are going into the college, or after graduating from the college, when they are going to the industries, the employability skills are lacking in them. So that is the reason I think such kind of endeavors are going to bring in those kinds of changes, and the mindset also. So the horizon is going to expand.
Wonderful, wonderful. And ma'am, now as the senior students can take a mix and match of subjects, along with the physics, they can take accountancy or some other subjects. It was already there in CBSE, but it has been very clearly like published in this document. What is your view on this, interdisciplinary courses?
See, I think these interdisciplinary courses being introduced is a wonderful initiative. Why? Because there are students who are inclined towards various different subjects, and having a fixed choice with them, they do not have the liberty of actually practicing and learning those subjects that are of their interest. So this is going to be definitely a welcome change for them. They are quite excited about it. I have spoken to a few students, and I have seen the Twitter and those social media handles where the students have been mentioning about their things, and also those students who've already graduated. So they're like, why this thing did not happen with us? So this is something which is being welcomed by students. I think the major and the minor things that the subjects that were there in the international education system is definitely going to help students, because there are times when a child takes up a particular course, but then later in a year or two feels that this is not something that he or she is really interested in pursuing as a career. So then in that case, if the child has another subject to fall back on, so that becomes a plan B or the plan C kind of a thing. So this is something which is, I feel is a remarkable move that has been brought in. Sure. Hi, this is Shivani Sahani, Principal, GD Goenka Public School, Bahadurgarh. Please keep watching EduTV.